What up, skate fans? Thought I'd start with something different. I'm in isolation, well not in isolation, we're in lockdown, but this is my daily exercise. This is a tutorial for the powerstop. Despite having recorded this quite a few times this year, I haven't been able to get it quite the way I want it, so here we go. Why is the powerstop so cool? The powerstop is like a handbrake stop. You see in the car movies, gone in 60 seconds. Well, that's what the powerstop is for a skater. I could put it all down to 3 steps, and the first of which is parallel turns. So for your parallel turn, my legs are parallel, but I'm in the scissor stance, and if I'm going to go to the left, which is my dominant side, my left foot would be ahead of my right foot, and my left foot would turn first. It would be nice and light on my toe of my left foot and a bit heavier on the heel, and my right foot would just follow the same trajectory as the left foot. Obviously it would be parallel. Skates are using opposite edges. My left skate is using the outside edge, my right skate is using the inside edge, and again, stay light on the toe of that left hand skate. Step number 2 would be to turn those parallel turns into more of a hairpin turn, and really focusing on making that first skate almost like a pivot point to make a sharp hairpin turn, and your right hand skate or your trailing skate just follows the trajectory, staying a nice even distance apart. Focus on that first skate, start to dig that into the ground and apply some force that's going to slow you down, because this is going to become a stop, remember. Let's turn this into a proper stop now. So step 3, no longer think of it now as a turn, think of it now as a definite stop. Really major emphasis on the first foot, really use that now as a braking force. Your trailing foot, again, it's to balance the carryover of power and momentum that comes off the first foot. Keep yourself low, keep your stance wide. It helps me to distribute the weight evenly across the skates, or rather across the wheels of my skates. If I lean forward slightly, so you end up something like that, front foot slightly ahead, back foot behind, really try and get your weight right bang right here. You don't want this to be here too much, because then you're going to go that way and fall. You want to be balanced. I said there was 3. 4th step would be practice this, drill this on both sides. If nothing else, it will just make you a more well-rounded, more confident skater. And there are some occasions where you're going to want to use it. It's going to be beneficial for you to do this on your non-dominant side. If there's a camber on the road, you might find that you're going to favour one stop over the other. In a nutshell, parallel turns. Just work on getting that turn tighter and tighter, more emphasis on that first skate, use it as a pivot point, swing your other skate around it, emphasise the braking force on the first skate. Use the second skate almost like a second brake to balance the carryover momentum and power. Try and plant yourself right smack dab in the middle of your base, practice it on both sides. Practice it on a multitude of surfaces, because the surface really makes a difference. Practice it at different speeds also, because your approach speed definitely makes a difference here. So hopefully that worked out okay. Let me know if this was any use to you. I really hope that you get something out of it. I hope you're managing to get some skating in these crazy times where we're all kind of locked up. If you're anything like me, you're going to want to be out and on your wheels, so hopefully this will give you some food for thought for when you do eventually get back out on your skates. So if you did like this, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. You'll definitely see a lot more. Other than that, skate safe, and I mean that, and be smart, keep your distance, I'll catch you on the next roll. Take it easy.